Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Now just here you get the calls, reminders and notifications volume panel just to mute your ringtone. Swap here to the left side and that's it. And also we got the second way. Just here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just tap here on the volume button and you'll see here these three dots. Just tap there and just here swipe down with your finger to mute your ringtone, or also you can just tap here to the silent icon. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.